on, guys? Just getting ready to put harnesses in. But figured I'd give you a little rundown on this Dragonfire seatbelt override. So first thing you want to do is pull your seat out, and then want to pull this panel on. This is on a Maverick Max. So pull all your push pins out. All you gotta do is slide that forward, and as you can see, there's one electrical wire. Unclip it. Done. Then you're gonna want to take that plug and snap it in there. Bang. That's all you do. Put the panel back on, put the seat back in, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching.